Come on, man. Y'all know the voice. Big CO BJ back at it again. Or y'all can call me Slice. Hey, so look. Today we're going to do a premium service. This is a different tutorial today. I never really showed y'all my premium service. But hey, get with the program. Let's go. So right now I'm using a one guard, fully closed, going with the grain. Just cleaning the canvas. He's going to be doing a taper today. Shampoo, conditioner, haircut, beard, hot shave, facial, and that's just what it is. So let's go. As y'all see, I'm going with his wave pattern, using the one close, knocking everything down, keeping it dark. I'm just going piece by piece, using my comb as I flow with my rhythm, as y'all can see. So look, if y'all don't know, get y'all a premium barber, a 5-star barber. Fuck having the celebrity barbers. Check this out. Look what I do. He wants no C-cups, so look, I went ahead and took them out of the way. We go skin today. So, as y'all see, lever fully open. Halfway. Close. Tap your nose because you're nosy. Haha. So look, okay, now we got a one halfway. Then I'm going with the grain. I'm going against the grain again, as y'all can see. Just detailing. I'm just laying everything down. Using my corners, as y'all can see, just so I can make sure I'm not cutting too much off. Now I'm just making sure it's skin. That's an advanced technique right there with the trimmers. If you don't know what you're doing, please don't do it. As y'all can see right here, I'm just doing some more detail work, piece by piece. Look at the blend. No guidelines. Okay, so now we're doing the back taper. Lever fully closed again. I'm combing as I go. With that air, as y'all can see, lever fully open. Just like your chick. Ha! Okay, so let me stop playing. Lever fully open, we go halfway. We're gonna go close. Then we're gonna go with the one guard, halfway, close, open. 1.5 if need be, but we don't, with his length, it's not that long, so, of his hair, so it's cool. So y'all see, I'm just combing as I flick out. Lever fully closed right there. Yeah, man, so lately I just been staying focused, man. Having the balance with life, business, mental. It's not easy, man, but hey, I do it every day, day by day. Now I'm using a half guard right here just to make sure all the guidelines are out the way, just doing extra detail work. Then I'm gonna use my trimmers, go ahead and line them up. Then we're gonna go to the next step, which will be his right side. Yes, my trimmers are modified. Those are the new calipers that just came out not too long ago. Look how they hitting, man. Stop playing. Right there, I just use a one guard just to knock off any extra hair over the ears. Look at the blend, man. Look at the transition. That quick. So as y'all see, I already lined them up. So right here, no C-cup. We go ahead and cut that out the way. First guideline. As y'all noticed, last time on the other side, I did the clipper, but now I use the trimmer just to show y'all both ways. So now lever fully open. Then we're gonna go halfway, right there, close. Now we're gonna go with the one guard. So yeah, man, I just been staying focused, man, having the balance, dealing with all my clientele at my shop, staying on the content. Been doing calisthenics, been meal prepping, been meditating, doing my puzzles, crossword search, all of those things, sharpening my mind, making sure I'm not wasting any time. And we have 6 more months until this year is over with. So I've just been finding that balance, not trying to stress myself out, you know, taking one day at a time. I've been keeping the family close, been visiting and helping out as much as I can on my downtime. As y'all all know, I'm about to be breeding my French Bulldog, my Frenchie, so I've been making sure he's been good. As y'all see, I'm doing a facial right here. Exfoliating, that's my facial soap that I have for sale that I make. That's by BJ. BJ's Cuts, you know what I'm saying? Clean y'all face, man. I know y'all be putting water and shit on your face. That's not enough. Clean it up. Not even just your haircut on your face, man. Clean your soul. Clean your spirit as well. So as y'all see, with this service, he's doing a microdermabrasion. I'm just pulling everything out his pores. This is the premium service, man, $100 service. He gets it all the time, every visit, no question. He been rocking with me for over 2 years, for sure. So as y'all see, I'm working with his nose area. I'm going with the grain, and then I'm gonna go against it to make sure I'm fully pulling everything. These are advanced techniques, advanced equipment, man. Invest to be the best, but also go to school. Please go to school. Just because you have ring lights and gloves doesn't mean you're a celebrity barber. I'm not considered a celebrity barber. I do not want that attention. I am an industry professional. Versatile. I do locks, retwist, style, facials, microdermabrasion, color, you name it. I'm with it. Women hair, blunt cuts, layers, curls, flat iron, whatever you need. So as y'all can see, the results are already showing. Look at his nose. You see how it's starting to get shiny. All that dead skin is out the way. Yeah, man, just stay consistent, man. Whatever y'all do, man, stay consistent. I can cut hair all day and not get paid for it. I know it sounds crazy, but I definitely have a passion for my career. Line up. Come on. Hello. Y'all see the difference once you prep the scalp by shampooing it, and also the skin once you do the facial. Look at the results. Yes, sir. Tap, pull every time I put the trimmer on his skin, as y'all can see. Very clean, very, very clean. He doesn't need enhancements, but he wants the hot sauce, so let's get it. I'm about to show y'all what these enhancements do. I make my own enhancements as well. I do it all. Look how I'm angling that enhancement card. Very light on enhancements too. I hate that Sharpie look. Y'all put that shit up. Leave it in 2020-19. Look, 2020-19. That was a trick one. But hey, look, y'all see I'm not going too heavy. I hate when y'all paint these folks, man. Enhancements are to enhance it. Come on now. Get with the program. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see how his face look. Real clean, real smooth. Not too much going on. As y'all see, he has like small corners. But hey, gotta know what you're doing, man. Just make sure his enhancements last. Guess what? He's in the military. He's in the army. He's going back. He came to get this cut, man. All these clients are traveling for my services, man. That speaks a lot. Big shout out to them. I definitely appreciate y'all. The support is there. Had to do the holding spray. Guess what? Finna line them up again. Not half stepping. Y'all see I'm just working with his corners. Look how steady my hand is. Reason why I was holding the trimmer like that because I had cut myself, but y'all can't tell. That was my middle finger that I had cut. Razor work, let's go. Who is Big CEO BJ? Who is sliced without using a razor? Come on, man. End results. Y'all see what's going on. Hello. The proof is in the pudding. Pudding is in the proof. Let's go. Applesauce might look the same, but they don't taste the same, just like macaroni. Let's go, man. Big CEO BJ back at it again. Like, comment, subscribe, catch a vibe. Okay.